My name's Bob Conboy, president of Palamides USA, and today we're in Manchester, Connecticut, visiting the facility of Allied Printing Services, here located in the northeastern United States. And today we will have the opportunity to speak of the story and the success of Allied Printing Services and the people behind the longevity and continued success of this company.
Chris Govea. I'm the Senior Vice President in charge of operations here at Allied Printing. The company was founded in 1949, and since that time we've been in private ownership by the Summers family. We're now in the third generation of Summers family, and that's quite a testament in this day and age of mergers and acquisitions. We've seen technology change from letterpress to offset to now the digital age. And we've changed along with it and invested accordingly, and we've set the company up to be successful now and into the distant future. This facility was built by Allied Printing to be a printing facility, so everything is received in one end and flows through the departments in the order it's worked on and ships out on the far end of the facility, so there's no back and forth with product, which wastes time and energy. Our energy is from a sustainable source. You see behind me what we don't purchase, we manufacture ourselves. We've got over 4,000 of these solar panels producing a large part of our electrical that we consume here. We also recycle all of the waste that's produced at the facility, from paper to aluminum to plastic and cardboard as well.
My name is John Kaufman. I'm at Allied Printing Services. I've been here since 1983 in my 36th year. I've been in the industry since 1976. Responsibility for purchasing equipment, installing equipment, and integrating the equipment into our workflow. We have full web, sheet-fed, digital, large bindery, and we do a lot of mailing. In the last year and a half, we've installed 4 new cutting systems, 4 saddle stitchers, 8 new inkjet devices, and 4 new Palamides paper banders. Our relationship with Palamides goes back roughly 25 years, and we have had great success both on our folders, which we're running roughly 13 folders right now. We use the Palamides exclusively for paper banding to cut down on manpower, and also to be able to run the equipment much faster than if we're catching it in line. We've also sent out our older Palamides to be refurbished and re-equipped, and we have had some great success with receiving that equipment back also.
My name is Mark Flynn. I'm the finishing manager here at Allied Printing Services in Manchester, Connecticut. I've been here 33 years. Recently, in the last year and a half, we replaced our old Palamides equipment with the Delta 703, and we are very, very pleased. What the new Delta 703 has offered us is the ability to not only paper band on the folders, but to paper band on the saddle binders. We saw years ago the savings of people utilization. We went from using 2 to 3 helpers on a folder to running the folder at top speeds without any helpers, just the operator catching for himself. We realize health benefits for our people. The ergonomics of the machine, the way it's positioned, the way it delivers to the operator, less back problems, less bending problems, less trouble with your hands. The added bonus, you cannot get nesting on this machine. We've had clients in the past that have sent back jobs due to having nesting. These machines eliminate nesting. The new models, the Deltas, we can utilize on our saddle binders. We do a lot of double digest work on our saddle binders, and we can paper band in line now with the Deltas. All of the benefits that we realize on the folders, we can realize on the saddle binders now as well, and it's just been a great benefit to the company, Allied Printing.
Allied Printing. The name stands for the alliance between the company, the employees, and the best possible customer service. So they allow the customer to stand by its claim. They can relax because Allied Printing doesn't. And Palamides USA is proud to be a full partner with Allied Printing.